Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sensor cleaning kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make to protect your full-frame camera and maintain the quality of your images. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and using a sensor cleaning kit, ensuring you capture stunning, dust-free photos every time. And I'll share some tips and tricks along the way to make the process easier and safer for your valuable camera equipment. Number 5. Altura Photo Professional Cleaning Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your camera and lenses spotless. It's perfect for both full-frame DSLR and mirrorless cameras. The included sensor swabs gently remove dust and debris from your camera's sensor. It's designed for full-frame sensors, ensuring a thorough clean. Our all-natural cleaning fluid effectively cleans your lenses and sensors without streaks or damage. It's safe for all electronics and coated surfaces. This kit includes everything you need: swabs, cleaning fluid, a blower, brush, tissue paper, and a microfiber cloth. All in a convenient carrying case. The durable case keeps all your cleaning tools organized and protected, making it perfect for travel. Take it with you wherever you go. With this comprehensive cleaning kit, you can maintain the quality of your images by keeping your equipment clean and free of dust and smudges. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a thorough cleaning, from swabs and brushes to a protective case. Its all-natural cleaner is safe for all your equipment. If you value a comprehensive and safe cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit itself is housed in a nice caring black case, which is key to keep everything clean and organized. It also fits into my camera bag, which is a plus, so it's always ready when I need it. The cleaning solution is safe for all lens, and it has done an amazing job cleaning everything from the lens glass to the camera body and sensor. Seriously looked like a mirror finish when I was done. The microfiber cloths are very high quality, and this is of critical importance. One is a bit smaller and thinner, good for the small 1.5-inch eyepieces and filters. The other is bigger and beefier, perfect for the 8 lens. No micro scratches, and it removes smudges with ease. Number 4. UES FFR24 Camera Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a thorough sensor cleaning. It's perfect for maintaining your camera's image quality. The kit includes 14 high-quality swabs and 15 milliliters of sensor cleaner. This ensures you have everything you need for multiple cleanings. Our alcohol-free cleaner is designed for safe and effective cleaning. It removes dust and smudges without damaging your camera sensor. It's compact and portable, so you can easily take it with you on any photography adventure. Keep your sensor clean, wherever you go. Get professional-level cleaning at home. It's easy to use, even for beginners, saving you money on expensive cleaning services. Clear instructions guide you through the process, making sensor cleaning simple and effective. Enjoy pristine images every time. What we like. It's gentle on your camera sensor yet highly effective. The vacuum-sealed swabs guarantee a dust-free clean every time, perfect for on-the-go cleaning. If you prioritize safety and portability, this kit is ideal. What people say. The swab is pretty much perfectly sized for a Canon full-frame DSLR, and it easily covers the active sensor area in a single pass. The kit comes with a bottle of cleaning fluid, which feels like it would last hundreds of cleanings since you only need to use a couple drops each time. The swabs feel well made with just enough give to reassure me I wasn't going to put too much pressure on the sensor. They're also individually vacuum packed, so you always start with a fresh swab. Number 3. UES 21-in-1 Camera Cleaning Kit. These swabs are compatible with all full-frame camera sensors. The super soft microfiber head ensures effective cleaning without damaging your sensor. Each swab is made in a clean room and individually packaged to prevent contamination. This non-alcoholic, ammonia-free cleaner is safe for all sensors and optical surfaces. It's designed to work perfectly with the swabs and cloths for efficient cleaning. These cloths are made of ultramicrofiber for excellent absorption. They effectively remove dirt and fingerprints without leaving lint or scratches, and are washable for reuse. This compact air blower delivers a strong air stream for easy cleaning. The soft nozzle and durable construction prevent damage to your equipment. The cleaning pen makes lens cleaning easy. The carbon tip removes oil and fingerprints, while the brush sweeps away dust. It's the perfect addition to your cleaning kit. This lens tissue is made of 100% recyclable wood pulp. It gently removes dirt and fingerprints without leaving streaks or lint. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one solution for all your camera cleaning needs. It includes reusable cloths, saving you money in the long run. If you want a versatile and economical option, this is a great choice. What people say. The cleaning solution provided is great. No streaks or film left on the sensor or lens. The wet cleaning with this kit solved that problem I created, along with getting all of the contaminants and almost all of the dust off. The swabs for wet cleaning are what are the real stars here. Number 2. VSGO VS-S03E Cleaning Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for thorough cleaning of your camera sensor and other delicate components. It's perfect for maintaining the quality of your images. The kit includes 12 24mm swabs, perfectly sized for full-frame sensors. These swabs effectively remove dust and smudges, leaving your sensor spotless. The included 10 ml cleaning fluid is specially formulated for delicate electronics. It cleans effectively without leaving streaks or residue. The swabs are designed with ergonomics in mind for comfortable use. The materials are gentle and safe for all optical coatings. It's not just for camera sensors. It can also be used to clean lenses, filters, screens, and other sensitive electronics. Each swab is made in a dust-free environment and vacuum-sealed for ultimate cleanliness. The microfiber material removes even microscopic particles. What we like. It uses ultra-pure water for a streak-free clean, and the ergonomic design makes cleaning comfortable. The precision cleaning ensures your sensor is spotless. If you demand the highest level of cleaning precision and comfort, this is for you. What people say. The instructions were clear, it cleaned my sensor perfectly, no streaks, and was quick and easy. This VSGO is a superior product and superior cleaning ability, a superior price and all-around better product than the others I have used. I like that the swabs are in a vacuum-sealed individual pouch. When I cleaned my sensors just now, I used hand blowers to remove the big stuff, then ran the cleaner and the swab across the sensors in one direction 3 times, then blew off with a hand blower again and looked through the loop. No dust. No streaks. No little hairs or fuzz. Just a wonderful clean sensor. Easy to use instructions with absolute clarity. No streaks, perfect for full-size sensor, great value for money with multiple use swabs and cleaning agent. Number 1. AAWipes HCS24 Sensor Swabs. Say goodbye to sensor dust. These swabs are perfect for cleaning your full-frame camera sensor, leaving it spotless and ready to shoot. Made with laser-cut superfine microfiber in a clean room environment, they're incredibly gentle on your delicate sensor. It's smooth, flexible, and completely lint-free. With a 24mm head, it's the ideal size for full-frame sensors. They effortlessly remove dust and particles without leaving any residue. These aren't just for camera sensors. They're also great for cleaning lenses, filters, LCD screens, and more. Clean all your sensitive electronics with ease. Each swab comes individually vacuum sealed to maintain cleanliness and ensure optimal performance. They are ready to use when you need them. We're so confident you'll love these swabs, we offer a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. Experience the AAWipes difference. What we like. This kit provides a large quantity of high-quality swabs, perfect for frequent cleaning. The lint-free swabs ensure a pristine clean every time. If you need a large supply of superior cleaning swabs, this is the best option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.